Oh, that's awesome! OMG. Ah! Sobrang sabay. The way she does is so graceful. Hello everyone, it's me, Oliver Kagas. So today we are now at the top of the mountain here in Germany. So I want to show you guys the places here a little bit. We're in the top of the mountain, so as you can see there's a lot of houses, and then yeah, so today's video we're going to react the dance cover of Josip Pressman, which is Taki Taki, popularized by Selena Gomez, and I want to share it to you guys how graceful, how talented she, the way she dances, very natural, that I watched it once but I want to react again, so you can see it, you can watch it, guys. And then, so before we begin though, please be sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and please tap the bell button below so you'll be notified for my next coming videos. Hello everyone, I just got back. So as you can see, we are now again in my favorite place because I like this. If I made a vlog, this is my place. So as you can see at my back, this is a heater, and then this is a shower. This is a bathroom. So because it's so cold today, so I wear my pullover. So I made a community pool in my YouTube, and then the Taki Taki cover dance won the pool. So I'm so excited with you guys to share it to you because I want to share it to you that how awesome this video. So let's get started. Josip Pressman, the ad-lib, Taki Taki. Oh, that's awesome! OMG. Ah! Sobrang sabay. The way she does is so graceful. And to tell you frankly, guys, she's so sexy. Oh, I love the editing of the video. It's very international. The way she does is so graceful, and then swabe lang yung pagsayaw niya. Ah, talagang upa. Grabe. Ang lambot na katawan. Grabe. Wala man lang sablay, you know? Sobrang sabay-sabay yung pagsayaw. Oh, sino to? Who are they? This is the ad-lib. I know. Where it is? Wait, I need to stop because because I have a goosebumps and then I'm shaking. What should I say? Grabe yung ano niya, alam mo yung pagsayaw niya is so inborn na talaga sa kanya yung pagsasayaw because the way she dance is so, her body is so malambot and then so graceful, swabe lang yung pagsayaw, hindi yung pagsayaw hindi niya inartehan. Alam mo yung ganun, alam mo yung sakto lang, yung gusto mo yung sakto lang talaga. Nasa kanya yun, hindi niya masyadong inartehan yung pagsayaw. At yung sa chorus na yung pag taki-taki, alam mo yung kuhang-kuha niya at guys, sobrang sabay sila. Hindi man lang siya, hindi sinablay, hindi kinulang, sobrang sakto lang talaga. Grabe lang, sobrang grabe lang talaga. Grabe, no? Siya, ikaw ba talaga yan? Sobrang namang versatile. Because when I saw you here, you are singing while dancing. When you dance here in Germany, it's not something like that. It's like, alam mo yung sweet lang. Pero ito, sobrang tinodo mo eh. Sobrang ganito, to the highest level na hindi mo na siya, na walang makapantay. Grabe lang. Then the boys with her are truly good also. So guys, let's continue. Oh, that smile though. I like it. I like the way she smile. So now it's finished. I'm sorry guys if I stopped earlier because my body is shaking, you know. And then if you see Yassi Prisman on live that she dance, you know, you just make something like that. Alam mo yung nakatulala ka lang kasi super unbelievable. It's very spectacular, the spectacular moment that you don't imagine that she did it. You know, she killed that. She killed it. Oh my God. I'm so happy that I met her. I'm so happy that she born, and she's alive, and she's healthy, and then, you know, I don't know what to say, but yeah, I don't know why, and I hope that she will be recognized internationally because she's versatile, she's very good, she can dance well, not well, but this one, she can, to the highest level. The way she does is for international, you know. And then I really hope that she have a concert, like a concert, solo concert. And then I hope that she have an album, and then the dance cover also, a lot of dance cover because she's good at it. I really hope so. She have an album because I want to buy it, guys. And then I hope that there's a dance album also. Diyan siya mas kampante, diyan siya mas bagay. So guys, I think this is all for now because the video that you watched that I have reacted, that's also true. It's so unbelievable that she did it. She killed it, man. Yeah, guys, for the Kukoyas out there, thank you for supporting me all the way, even if we have, you know, basher, but we don't mind it because we are happy what we did, what we are doing. So let's just continue supporting the Kukoyas team, the Kukoyas Love team, because they are worth it. I hope God will bless them a lot because they deserve this spotlight now. If you have any video that I want to react, if you have another video of Yassi Prisman or what, just comment down below, and then I will be reacted for you guys because you and me are together. No, because I am a fan also of Yassi Prisman. You know that, you know, in my previous videos that I am so fanatics, you know. If you guys have any suggestion for Yassi Prisman or another artist, just comment down below and then see you there.
So guys, thank you for watching. Masasabi ko lang ay super talented niya. Sobrang galing niyang sumayaw at sisikat pa siya kasi very friendly siya. Dahil nung nakita ko siya dito sa Germany is isa siyang true artist, you know, that's very down to earth. That's why a lot of people loves her. And at alam ko na sikat na siya, but sisikat pa siya at sisikat dahil sa kabaitan na pinakita niya sa atin, and then sa mga fans niya at sa mga supporters and sa family niya. So guys, if give me a like if you like this video, and then please support Yasi Prisman all the way, because she's one of a kind, and then you cannot say it everywhere because she's everything. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.